In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can archive multiple posts here on Instagram. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now begin by opening up the Instagram app. And once you're on the Instagram app, go ahead and just tap your profile icon down in the bottom right to go to your profile. And then from here, you're going to see all of your posts here. Now, normally you would archive a post just by opening it, tapping the three lines just like so, and then archiving here. But if you have a lot of posts, that's going to take way too long. So instead, what we're going to do is you're going to hit the three lines up in the top right, scroll down a little bit, select your activity. And once you're in your activity, what you need to go ahead and do is find the little post section right here, select it, and then once you're in here, you could select all of your posts just like so. And then you're going to see a little archive button down in the bottom left. Go ahead and select it and then confirm. And after you confirm, you'll be good to go. Your posts are going to be archived. And if you ever want to view them again, you just have to go back to your activity. Just go to archived. And then, of course, you can select the post and unarchive it as well if you need. But yeah, the process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.